This is the NEMO Fillo Elite Luxury Pillow. And today I'm going to tell you why this is my favorite pillow to take backpacking. So when I sleep at home on a normal night, let me show you what pillow I normally use. I use this gigantic king size down cushy pillow. It's very soft, very luxurious, and when I sleep on it, I'm a stomach sleeper. I like to sleep like this. And I like my head to kind of squish into the pillow a little bit. I just love these down pillows. The bigger the better, right? But when you go backpacking, you can't really carry this giant pillow with you. So you got to find a lighter option. So over the years of looking for a light pillow that can get as close to my big comfy down pillow as possible, this is what I started out with. The Thermarest, I don't even know what this is, but it's a Thermarest pillow, and it didn't really work out. It takes up a lot of space in the pack. It is lightweight, but it's honestly not the most comfortable pillow in the world. And it just takes up so much space. It is kind of lightweight, but not that light. Anyways, next, I went to the Sea Summit Aeros pillow. And this pillow is super light, but it just doesn't give you that down feel. You feel like it's just kind of hard and stiff. I mean, you can let the air out of this pillow, but I mean, it's super lightweight, but I mean, it's just not the same feel as a nice comfy down pillow. I couldn't sleep very well with this. So I thought, well, I'm going to sacrifice some weight, and I'm just going to go with a regular down travel pillow. So I tried this, and really it was just too heavy and took up too much space in my pack. It's kind of comfy, but it's not really that comfy. It gets kind of sweaty in the night. Get some condensation on it. It's it's just too heavy. Just too heavy and takes up too much space. So that didn't work. So I tried the NEMO Fillo King pillow, and guess what? This was even heavier than the down travel pillow and took up just as much space. But I have to say, this is a super, super comfy pillow. This might even be more comfy, maybe, than the NEMO Fillo Elite Luxury Pillow. I'm not sure. Actually, no, I am sure. It may be a little bit more comfy. But you can't take this big 14-ounce pillow on a long backpacking trip. I mean, you could, but it's really heavy. It's almost a pound. So, finally, I found the NEMO Fillo Elite Luxury Pillow. This thing is only 4 ounces. I mean, it's light as a feather. I wish you could feel this thing. It doesn't take up any space in your pack when you pack it down. It's as light as the Aeros, and it is super comfortable. It feels almost just like I'm sleeping on a down pillow at home. just so comfortable. So comfortable and super light. I don't know how you could come up with a better pillow than this for backpacking, in my opinion. If you're a stomach sleeper and you like down pillows and you're trying to save some weight on a backpacking trip, in my opinion, you can't get much better than this. Let me just go ahead and show you more of what this is like here. When to pack it down, all you gotta do is unscrew the valve, push out the air a little bit, and it has this little stuff sack attached to the pillow. So let me show you this. So, to pack the pillow up, all you have to do is just push the pillow into the stuff sack like this. And that's what the pillow packs down to. This. It's tiny and super lightweight. This doesn't take up any space in your pack hardly, and I mean, you really can't get any lighter than this. And it's super comfortable. Now let me show you what it's like to air it up. So undo the drawstring. There it is. Unscrew the valve. Blow it up. What'd that take? 20 seconds? 30 seconds? You can blow it up as much as you want. But now you have a super comfortable pillow. The closest thing you're going to get to your down comfy king size pillow on a backpacking trip, in my opinion. So, if you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit the like button for me. And if you want to see more backpacking videos, go ahead and subscribe with the link below as well. Thanks for watching.